All right. So, I have a crazy story to tell you today because with everything that you see online with gurus posting orange bars and all that stuff, you need to realize that what you see is only highlights. And today I'm actually going to share with you some orange bars and I'm going to tell you the backstory behind all this. So, for more than 1 year, I've been chasing something and I failed multiple times. This little something that I was chasing was a $7,000 a day selling on Amazon. I failed tens and tens of time, being really, really close. 6,500, 6,900, 6,300. Especially this Q4. I had 6,000 days. I had a multiple, like just this December, I had a multiple $6,000 days. And, you know, it was really, really frustrating. Of course, I'm grateful for the sale. I know that a lot of people are not getting that much sales, that many sales this Q4, not these kinds of numbers. But with my progression, it was a little bit frustrating. I'm not going to lie. It was actually not a little bit. It was actually really frustrating because a lot of the times, and I think on 2 days actually in December. Today is December. This phone is dead. My bad. Today is December 11th, right? So up until December 10th, I think until December 10th, I had two $5,000 days and two $6,000 days. One of them was 6,700 or 6,900. I think it was the two, right? And I'm telling you this story because I failed at this goal multiple times. I failed at this goal for more than 1 year, and this Q4 at multiple times. I thought that I was going to make it, and I actually never made it. But I kept pushing. And I want to show you this. All right. I want to show you this. I failed, and I want you to know, okay? I actually failed 2 times. It looks like it was, it's actually 2 times. I don't know because like with the scale we cannot really see, but I want you to see this, okay? I failed. Well, let me do this. I don't know if you'll be able to see. You're gonna be able to see it this way. I failed. You can see that I failed multiple times, and that I actually had a $10,000 days. 2, and actually probably 2, because if you look at it, today is actually going crazy, right? Let me do this so you can see it. Today is actually going crazy, right? So I might actually get a second $10,000 day. And all this came from me not giving up. And because I'm not going to lie, last Q4, and I'll tell you the whole story, but last Q4 I actually had a trash December, and you can see it from the numbers from last year. I actually had a trash December, and it was expected, right? Because I did not know if I was going to be in the US, and so I did not actually send stuff FBA, so my stuff that was FBA went out of stock. Long story, and I started traveling instead, still selling stuff, still making a decent amount of money, but actually my last December was actually trash, right? So the point that I want to make with today's video is as follow, right? I know that a lot of people would have given up, but I stuck to it for more than 1 year, and this is what I want you to see, right? I'm able to show these results to you because I think the last month, the last time that my last best month was in March 2020. Not best month, I'm sorry, best day. The last time I had one really, really good day was in March 2023, right? And I scaled down my business before scaling it up after that, and it was 2022, maybe. It was maybe 2022. Or maybe March 2023. I don't know. I forgot. It was March 2023. The last time that I had, it was my last best day, which was 6,900, right? And I kept pushing, I pushed, and I failed multiple times. And a lot of you guys give up after failing 1 time, 2 times. If only you had seen all the times that I actually failed with this business, you would think that I'm crazy for actually keep working on this business, right? I'm not sure I said that the right way, but I want to show you because this is really important, right? I was chasing a $7,000 day and I was not able to do it for a couple of months. And just this month, just this past week, I failed twice. But I kept failing, I kept standing up, and I kept actually working towards my goal. And the goal that I had for a $7,000 day transformed into, not really transformed, but I actually crushed it. And I'm actually crushed it 2 days in a row, which is actually crazy, right? So I had the $10,000 days. And if you were on the live class, by the way, if you were on the live class that we had this Sunday, I actually said, do you think that I'm going to have a $7,000 day? A lot of you guys say, yeah, that, because that day was supposed to be a $7,000 day. And it ended up not being a $7,000 day, right? But today, yesterday was actually a $10,000 day, and today is probably going to be one as well, right? So I'm really, really happy with that, and I wanted to share this with you, and I wanted to show you that, like, I could have just taken a screenshot, and just post orange bar and just sell coaching with that. By the way, yeah, I offer coaching. If you want to scale your Amazon business, link in the description, you can apply for my coaching program. But I could have just done that without any backstory. And I think the backstory is important because I want you guys to realize that I actually failed at 7,000 for a couple of months and multiple times this month. And 2 days in a row, I actually crushed it, okay? I crushed it. It was like a glass ceiling that I was finally able to pierce. And I finally did it. And I'm so grateful for it. And I put a lot of work to actually be able to get to that point, And so, yeah, I think it's really, really important. It should be a message. The reason why I'm making this video, it's not really to flex or anything, but it's to actually, it's just because I want to share a message, right? And the message that I want to share is that you need to keep going. You're going to fail multiple times on the way, and not just with not reaching your goals, because like, I have way more dramatic stuff that actually happened to me in the business, like, I just came back from a section 3 not too long ago. You guys know that, So, yeah, it's just like, I know that a lot of people are giving up on Amazon right now. I want to share another side of the story. I want to share with you, just so you can see the other sides of things, You just need to keep going. That's it. Just keep going. And, it took me a little while to actually get a $10,000 day. All right. I've been sitting on Amazon for a couple of years. So don't expect you can get that. You can get to that point in 1 year. Some guys do. I did not, because I did not have credit here that I could leverage, and I did not have a ton of capital. So I had to work my way towards that. Right. But, and by the way, it's not like I'm actually getting like $10,000 in sales at 5% margin. It's not the case. Okay, my margins are great right now. They are in between 15 to 20. I actually need to check. I would actually need to check and make sure that all my cost is there. But like they could actually be over 20%. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure, but it's above 15% for sure right now. And so, yeah, I'm telling you this story because I want to be the living proof. You just need to keep going. All right, you've seen me making these videos every single day about selling on Amazon. I just keep going. One day you're going to get an epiphany. One day you're going to crush your goal. It's going to come. You just need to keep pushing, okay? Keep doing the right thing. Keep doing what you are supposed to do. And these days are going to come. Just look, and I'm going to repeat this one last time. I was chasing a $7,000 day. I failed multiple times, being really, really close to it. And I've been able to do it 2 days in a row, and I've been able to actually crush it 2 days in a row after actually failing at this multiple times. Just today, I made more money than my first 2 months selling on Amazon, right? In revenue, I'm talking in revenue and in profit as well, But I made more than my first 2 months, right? And so I came a long way. I'm actually quite happy. And I want to share this with you guys. And because it's been a long time, by the way, that I haven't really shared my number. I've been working on a lot of things. I've been working on, as I told you guys, I actually scaled down the business to rebuild the business from the ground up. Starting like more than 1 year ago, I scaled my business back up after that. But I'm actually really happy with the way it's been going right now. I'm really, really happy. I put in a lot of work to reach that point. I'm not going to lie. But it's finally paying out. I learned a lot of things this Q4 that I'm going to share with you towards the end of this Q4, you know, I'm going to share all of this with you guys. I'll make a special video, and I have more announcements towards the end of the month. So once again, coaching, you want to apply for the coaching, link in the description. Just read the description. I have a lot of shit to offer to you. You can pay for some stuff. There's a lot of stuff that can actually help you for free, right? So yeah, really happy with the results. I wanted to share that with you guys for today's video, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.